Alright guys, this is a very special video that I'm making, and I usually don't make such videos, but I wanted to share my heart out with you. Guys, I am coming to India in the coming months of 2021. Today is the 9th of January, I think, and I'm planning to come to India in the coming few weeks or months. Depends upon how this video goes and what is the sort of response I get. Now, the whole plan is basically we are planning a new company, a special company, since I have received a lot of messages from a lot of viewers and subscribers and a lot of clients otherwise as well, that guys, that Sahil, we haven't met you, and whether you would want to come to India for at least a short visit. So then I got myself thinking that it's always good to have a local presence, because until today I don't have any local partners in India. I don't have any agencies. There is one back office in Delhi, but then that is my own personal office. We don't really use it for any client facing deal. But we were thinking of one opening an office somewhere in North India for sure. That is still under the thoughts. Nothing has been crystallized, and I don't have any agents or anything for now in India. So I was thinking that I could probably go to India, materialize these things, see if we can get this idea rolling out. And the other thought was basically, I really wanted to come and see you all. I wanted to hold a meet and greet, because we'll be hitting a mark of 50,000 subscribers in the coming very very few days, and we hope to hit the 100,000 subscriber mark. And I really want to celebrate that 100,000 subscriber base with all of you in India. So a couple of things in mind that I wanted to share. We will be making sort of a country tour, where I will be visiting the most of the key cities in India, where if you are there, I would love to speak to you. We have definitely planned some one-to-one sessions and some group greet and meets, but since COVID-19 is going on, we are not pretty sure how that is going to shape out. We are still thinking on how to chalk out the details. I'm still in a planning phase as to what days, how many days, what is the duration of the trip, when I'm gonna come in. So all of that is still in a sort of a thing, but I just wanted to share my heart with you and wanted to get your opinion that if I come to India in the coming few months, would you be open to meeting me? I would definitely, like I said, have some greet and meet, have some group sessions, and then have some one-to-one sessions also, because we've had a lot of queries from people and families who want one-to-one sessions, who actually want to see me in flesh and blood. Because see, I totally understand that I am in Canada, I am in Ontario, and it is hard for a lot of people to they're okay in seeing me on the video on YouTube or anywhere else, but when it comes to their application, they really want to see who's the man, right? So it's better than I thought also. It's been COVID, and I haven't really gone back to India much, so it'll be a good time, pleasant time, and at least I will get some good time to spend with you all as well. So like I said, once again, let me know if you would like to meet me, if you would like to be a part of the meet and greet, and at least if you would like to have these sessions with me, so that I can plan accordingly the dates, the length, duration, where exactly, which city, all of that. So the link is in the description box. Please use that link. Let me know your thoughts, and I will be planning my trip accordingly. Once again, I would love to see you in Canada, but then for now at least, let's meet in India, and I would love to see you soon. All the best.